So I am going to start a series where I am going to discuss about the scaffolding. So in this video, I am going to explain in a very small video it is. So I am going to explain what type of scaffold are used in the construction industry. Okay, so my name is MS Akhter. I have 35-40 years of experience, and now I have retired and I started sharing my knowledge and experience so that in the field, whoever is working should have the right knowledge. So keep watching my video, subscribe my video, and keep watching. So what is a scaffolding? A scaffolding means you are providing a certain temporary structure so that people can work at a particular point by easily accessing, giving a support and safety can he can work. Okay, so that is the safety and access and support. If you want in detail, you stop this video and read it. So it is going to be very short, so I'm not going to read everything. So first type of a scaffold, as you can see, it is a single scaffold means it's a 2 3 for two standard and with a tie anchoring, and it's a, for example, for a small place where one at one point somebody has to work. So that is going to be a single scaffold. Double scaffold, same single scaffold can be have the continue. That means standards are running parallelly, maybe 1.5 meter, and it is running and without wall or any structure facing, maybe substation something is working. So it has the full stability because it is running so very, and sometimes it is anchored to the structure also. So it is very having a very good supporting system. Now one type of a scaffold is cantilever scaffold where the you can see the ground access issues are there. You cannot put the base plate on the ground, and you have to with the structure you have, and it is very high. So at a certain point, maybe 40 meters high or 100 meters height, you can provide. It is a specialized people only used to erect. It is it is projected through a structure, so it is having a specialized application. So one type of a scaffold you can see, it is a suspended scaffold. It is mainly on the structure for the pipeline or in the refinery structure or the any industrial construction sites. So here the scaffolding is is hanged through the structure so that when providing a platform to work and to keep the equipment erected and all these things they can do. So overhead supporting system, because it is not supported from the ground, it is hanging on the structure from the structure. Working platform suspended by robust ropes or chains attached to secure point at roof level or upper floors. Or in this case, I have given the photograph, it is through the structure. So this is called the suspended scaffold. So it is having a engineering, special engineering. You have to prepare the drawing. As a HSE professional, you have to ensure that this drawing is prepared properly. It is being designed properly, and people are who are erecting should know what he is doing and how to erect it, because you are going to be the monitor it. So you must know how what it is. Here I will tell again that every type of scaffold, my second video is going to be about the components of the scaffolding in general, and what is its significance and what is its, and how to use in case of the different type of scaffolding system. So this type is, it is a mobile scaffold. You might have seen this is 1:3, and the freestanding single scaffold, first one I have seen, it is 1:4. You can it is there. That means the minimum breadth. If it is one meter, then it can go up to 4 meter. Not scaffold 1:3 and 3 meters. The first one is 1:4. So by knowing all these things, you have to know about all the type of scaffold and where it has to be used, and what is the pro and cons, and what are the significance, so that you can suggest the right type of scaffolding at a for work at a certain point. Now, one type of a scaffold which is called the tube and coupler scaffold. Tube and coupler means it is prefabricated. At every distance there is a coupler system is there. In the other type there is a swell clamp. Wherever you want it is a straight simple pipe, but this is not a simple pipe. It is a build coupler system. So the other is laser. You just have to click it because it is very fast. You can just erect it and dismantle it very fast. So in the bridge construction also it is used for shuttering purposes, and for in the building also it is used, and in the industrial structure also it is used. So it is a classical engineering developed as one of the earliest one the earlier only SGB using, but now it is other company also are making such type of things. In Aramco, SGB is the only thing which was earlier approved in the 1991 up to I think 2000. It is said now the rules are changed. So unmatched adaptability, it can adapt to the wherever it is required, but it cannot be on the if it is moving from the vessel all around vessel if you have to plan. So you need another type of scaffold. You may be coupler type of scaffold. That's why it is said that all the HSE professional must know type of a scaffold. So system scaffold, anything can be. That means it is a designed for the purpose. So it is couple system, it's the quicksand system, or the Haki system. So quick quick stage system, it is used mainly in UK and Australia. Couple system are very popular. Haki system, it is in Europe, it is yours. So that is because it is a lightweight Haki system. Okay, so as a HSC professional, you should know all these things. Where because you have to suggest which type of a scaffold is suitable for that job. Because ultimately it is a safety matters. Why the scaffolding is provided? To work safely and to provide a safe access. So project requirement, you have to assess and you have to suggest. So match scaffolding type to work scope, duration and structural needs, adherence to a stability ratio and regulatory standard, balance assembly speed. So thank you for watching this video, and you and keep watching. Next video is going to be in a very detailed every component, maybe because calculation also I will teach you how to calculate the requirement and strength of the different components. For example, if transom, how you have to use laser, how you have to tie also the supporting pipes, how you have to use what type of a standard is available in the market, because that all these things is going to be a question, and as a HSC professional you should be master in all these things. Thank you for watching this video. Hope that you will subscribe. Thank you.